Hi there, my name is Yuhan. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Today I bring to your attention the continuation of a fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the repair of appliances in Winnipeg, the Canadian city. Diagnostic, installation, repair, configuration and maintenance of appliances. You will find all this in my videos. Therefore, without delay, I suggest you subscribe to my channel right now. Let me introduce a Kenmore dishwasher. Reason for service call. Kenmore dishwasher will not complete cycle. Starting to diagnose this Kenmore dishwasher. Now I next do the dishwasher. I select the quick rinse mode. I press the start button and carefully watch the process. I can clearly hear water entering the dishwasher. I make sure to check all components to make sure everything is working correctly. At the bottom there is a water inlet valve. Water flows through this valve and hose into the dishwasher. The sound of water flow indicates proper operation. Once the dishwasher has filled with enough water, the next step is to start the wash cycle by turning on the circulation pump. The circulation pump turns on, but to my surprise, the wash cycle suddenly stops. Now I need to find out the root cause of this interruption. When I try to restart the lock by pressing the start button, a hypothesis begins to form. The door lock seems to be faulty, and this is obvious as I can easily open the door with my hand. The sensor detecting an open door initiates a pass, stopping the cycle prematurely. This deduction leads me to believe that the door lock is the main problem. After restarting the cycle, my hypothesis becomes correct. The door mechanism is so worn that a simple stream of water can open the dishwasher door, causing the wash cycle stop. I will now inspect the door mechanism and latch to determine the exact cause of the problem. Having removed the cover and gained access to the inside of the lock, I notice that it is slightly loose. A visual inspection revealed no visible mechanical damage, but the inside of the mechanism needs to be cleaned. After cleaning, I assemble and securely fix the lock. Running the same quick rinse cycle again, I try to manually open the door. This time the lock holds the door securely and it does not open. The repair of the dishwasher was successfully completed. The door lock problem has been resolved and this Kenmore dishwasher will work properly. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.